Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given equation 27 power x minus 3 power x divided by 9 power x minus 3 power x equals to 82. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Before we solve this given equation, we are going to manipulate this part over here. And here I have copied it down 27 power x, and now this 27 could be written as 3 times 9. So therefore I can write 3 times 9 whole power x, and this could also be written as 3 power x times 9 power x. And now let's focus on this denominator part, this one 9 power x, and here I have copied it down, and now this 9 could be written as 3 times 3. So therefore we can write this one as 3 times 3 whole power x, or this could also be written as 3 power x times 3 power x. So therefore this our original equation is going to become, now I'm going to replace this 27 power x by this. So therefore I can write 3 power x times 9 power x minus 3 power x divided by, now I'm going to replace this 9 power x by this part. So I am going to write down 3 power x times 3 power x minus 3 power x equals to 82 on the right hand side. And now we can see that 3 power x and this 3 power x is in common on the numerator, and likewise 3 power x and this 3 power x is in common in the denominator as well. So therefore I can factor out 3 power x on the top, and inside the parentheses is going to be 9 power x minus 1 divided by 3 power x times 3 power x minus 1 equals to 82. And now we can see this 3 power x and 3 power x, they are gone. So we are ended up with 9 power x minus 1 divided by 3 power x minus 1 equals to 82. Now let's focus on this part in the numerator, 9 power x minus 1. And here I have copied it down, and we can see this 9 could be written as 3 power 2. So therefore we can write 3 power 2 and whole power x minus 1. And now let's focus on this part, only this one. And here I have copied it down. And now let's recall this power rule. According to this rule, we can write this one as 3 power 2x. And once again, if we apply this power rule, we can write this thing as 3 power x and then whole power 2. So therefore we can write this one as 3 power x whole power 2, and then minus this 1 could be written as 1 square. And now let's recall this well-known identity, a square minus b square. We are going to apply on this one. So this could be written as 3 power x minus 1 times 3 power x plus 1. So therefore this equation is going to become, on the numerator we can write this one as 3 power x minus 1 times 3 power x plus 1 divided by 3 power x minus 1 equals to 82 on the right hand side. And now we can see that this factor in the numerator cancels out with this one. So therefore we are ended up with a 3 power x plus 1 equals to 82. Now let's go ahead and subtract 1 from both sides. This is gone. So we ended up with 3 power x equals to 81. 1. And now we know that 81 could be written as 3 power 4. So therefore I can write 3 power x equals to 3 power 4. And now we can see that these bases are same. So therefore we can equate our exponents as well. So therefore our x value turns out to be simply 4. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.